gentlemen, Ghostwriter Airshows is proud to present Nathan Hammond and the Havilland Super Chipmunk. An experienced aviator and aerobatic performer, Nathan has amassed more than 80,000 total hours of flight time in more than 50 different kinds of aircraft. Today, he proudly serves as one of the world's last remaining professional skywriters, performing at aerial events across North America both day and night. Flying this 1956 skywriter, designed originally as a trainer for the Royal Canadian Air Force, wearing for a display of low-level aerobatics in this classic Airshow airplane. Flying has been part of Nathan's life ever since he was a young child. Flying aircraft ranging from World War I biplanes to corporate business jets. His favorite type of flying is what you're seeing now. Let's watch out in front of us as Nathan continues and flies the vertical for his next maneuver. Skywriter and international airshow performer, Nathan stays busy traveling across the continent, performing at everything from airshows to music festivals. He finds an aerobatic space system made by injecting lightweight oil into the exhaust. Each of his skywriting messages can stretch more than 10 miles wide at an altitude of more than 15,000 feet. It is from this altitude where it can be difficult to spot Nathan's airplane from the ground, but the message is high above, giving the worthy name of the Ghostwriter. This Super Chipmunk has been highly modified into the Airshow airplane you see today. It features a custom 350 horsepower composite propeller, short wings, and a streamlined canopy, turning this airplane into a lean airshow machine. Capable of over 6 Gs or 6 times the force of gravity, this tight cornering capability allows Nathan to keep his flying displays up close and personal. In addition to flying his low-level performances during the day, Nathan is also one of a handful of pilots who's also authorized to display at night. Under the cover of darkness, the Ghostwriter can be equipped with more than 200 pounds of fireworks, pyrotechnics, lots of special effects to allow for nighttime performance. You can stay up to date with Nathan Hammond and the travels of the Ghostwriter by following their social pages online at Ghostwriter Airshows. Nathan Hammond is the 2023 recipient of the Bill Barber Award for Showmanship, one of the highest honors within the airshow industry. His combination of daytime flying, nighttime flying, and skywriting makes him one of the most sought-after performers on the airshow circuit today. Nathan Hammond at Ghostwriter Airshows would like to thank their sponsors to include Hoffer Grove Aeromotive, Tempest, CJ Aviation, Airflow Performance, Goodyear Aviation, Camguard, Concord Battery, Sarasota Avionics, B&C Specialty Products, and Wheel Aerospace Technologies. Nathan would also like to thank each and every one of you for attending today's show, as well as to all of those who helped make today's air show possible. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Nathan Hammond and the Ghostwriter.
Well, thank you, Luke, for your rousing rendition of Ghostwriter Airshows. It's always great to have him with us, as well as have Nathan and the family out. Again, Nathan and his family are here supporting the Flight for CF. They encourage you to as well, because all of that research is helping extend the lives of young people. Around 40,000 people in the U.S. are currently diagnosed with cystic fibrosis. 1 in 30 of us is carrying the genetic markers. Think about that. Look around, look around, look left, look right. Somewhere in there, there's a genetic marker. All right, Nathan's just about on the ground. Hey, I was just reminded, some of you aren't following the rules and you're smoking out there. No smoking. No smoking anywhere out there unless you're completely engulfed in flames, and we're trying to prevent that. So please don't smoke anywhere on the ramp. Now the barbecue folks over here that fed me this afternoon, great smoke, by the way. Good stuff on that. All right, so we've got a raffle still going. A couple of them. Chance to win the ride in the Cessna 185. As well as the pits. So I encourage you to go by the Flight for CF tent, purchase those tickets, stop by and talk to all the volunteers there. Now this is what we call the show after the show. Our flying demonstration has ended. We're about to give the airspace back. So now is your chance to enjoy more of the static aircraft, get yourself something to eat or drink. Oh, yep, we've got... Oh, Nate's coming down the crowd line. Now I see him. He was hiding in that big red, white, and blue plane. Hey, everyone wave your hats and water bottles at Nathan Hammond. He just performed for you. That's the Ghostwriter. We get a chance to do a night show here. We'll bring Nathan back to heaven and light up the sky for you. All the way down the crowd line. There he is, full of maneuvers. Like I was saying, folks, this is